Kyra from KyraWilliamsFitness.com, and today we are doing lateral hops over a med ball or dumbbells or a kettlebell. We're going to do these with our feet together as well as feet apart. So I'm showing these to you today with a med ball, but you can definitely use a barbell, you can use a dumbbell, you can use kettlebells, you can use really any object. And we want to just stand directly to the side of our object. We are going to jump both feet at the same time and land on the other side of our object. Just make sure that you bring your knees up high enough to clear the object. So to do them with our feet separate, then it's going to be a little easier and a little less scary to do it one at a time.